Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to give you a beginner guide on how to buy and sell shares in Nairobi Stock Exchange. And now the market cap of Nairobi Stock Exchange, the entire market cap of the entire company is 2 trillion, with Safaricom owning almost 45% of the entire market cap. And how can you own a company that you really like, a company that you use, or a company that your family always uses? So these are some things to do when you're starting or when you want to start to invest in Nairobi Stock Exchange. So the first thing you need is a broker. You can go to Nairobi Stock Exchange website and look for broker that are licensed with Nairobi Stock Exchange and are even licensed and regulated by Capital Market Authority. You can choose to register online, and in Nairobi Stock Exchange website they will show you brokers that have online and that have apps. Look for a broker, and after you choose a broker, you evaluate a broker that is regulated by Capital Market Authority and is licensed by Nairobi Stock Exchange. Now you have a broker. Now what the next thing you need is a CDS account. A CDS account works like a vault. This is where all of shares are being stored. So if you want to buy a share from another person and that person have placed an order you want to sell, the share will be minus from his CDS account to your account. So CDS account, if you need to open a CDS account, there's two ways. First, you can go to a central bank and you will be given a form. And the second way, which is the easiest way, I think now some brokers will help you open a CDS account, and you just go register with the broker, and the broker they will automatically go and register a CDS account for you, and you will be sent a CDS number to prove that you have registered a CDS account. And you will only need one CDS account or one CDS number, even if you want to use many different brokers, you will only need one CDS account. And so the first thing you need to look for stockbroker. You have a stockbroker, you have a CDS account, and now the next thing is to evaluate or to analyze a company that you want to invest to, or a company you want to buy. So this depends with you. And if you're a beginner, the best way to go about it is first look for a company that you regularly use, or a company that your family regularly use, or a company that your friends are using. Like everyone uses M-Pesa, Safaricom, everyone uses banks. You can start investing on those companies, or you can decide to analyze the company, look for the company fundamental, what the company is doing, the product, the services, and you go and look for their financial and of each data of every company. You will always get them in their website. You just go click on their website, like for example safaricom.com, and you go to a page known as investor relation, and you can download their financials and read their financial, their balance sheet, their spreadsheet, and look how they are performing financially, their assets and all that. After you have a broker, you have a CDS, and you have analyzed the company that you want to invest in. So the next thing is, now how many money do you need to put in there? So this depends with how many shares and which company you are willing to buy. Like for example, Kengen is selling at 4 shillings, and that means you only need 400 with a little bit of some fees and commission. But if you want to buy like Jubilee Insurance is trading at 100, it's trading at 300 Kenyan shillings. That means you need to have at least 30 plus thousand to buy Jubilee. But there's some will allow you to buy 1 share, 2 shares, but this depends with the company. the volume of the company that is trading in a particular day or in a particular week, because some company they have bigger volume like Safaricom, Kengen, like those company really trade at a bigger volume. This means there's a lot of shares in circulation in the market, so your order is very easily likely to be filled. But there's some company you will only need to buy 100 shares, because the shares in circulation is very little. There's no people selling, so you will have a big problem when you want to buy your shares. So, and after you've evaluated, after you have a stockbroker, you have a CDS account, and you deposit the money depending on how many shares you want to buy. So now this now is you to figure out the type of investor you want to be. Maybe if you want to be a trader, that means you buy today, you sell tomorrow, or you hold for a month, a week, and you sell, or you want to hold the share of the company. This will depend with how you want to make money in stock exchange. Other people will hold, and the company will always be paying them dividends every single year after they've closed their balance sheet, after they close their books, pay their expenses, and the profit they remain with, they will split it between every investor. This is for you to figure out which type of investor are you. Do you want to trade? Do you want to swing trade, or do you want to buy and hold? And after you have figured out that, and that is how you get started investing. First, you choose a broker. Second thing, you open a CDS account. The third thing, you evaluate or you analyze the company that you want to invest in. And the third thing, you buy the company. And that is for today's video. I hope you find this video very informative. Always have a beautiful time.